Hi, this is Satan in Disguise. Welcome to my YouTube video. Today I am unboxing the high altitude training mask. And since I'm the only camera person, I'm going to have to get up multiple times to show you different things of this. I don't know if the words are backwards or not, I can't tell in this, but all the things it does for you, I don't think you can read those unless you want to pause the video. But I'm going to be unboxing this and talking to you about it while I'm unboxing it. Now, what this high altitude mask does is it increases your stamina, makes it so you can go longer at doing different things. It increases your lung capacity so you can breathe in more air. I am not knowing how to take this out of the box. Let's just undo all the tape. This is weird. This is really weird. Maybe I gotta do this side too. Be very careful. Alright, that might. There we go. Got it open. Now this is the first part of it right here. And there's this slides right out of there, easier than ever. You could you get one of these with it. Tells you how to use it and everything. I got this for Walmart around, I think it was $10.99. It has 4 different levels. It says right here that the first level is 4,000 feet. Intermediate level is 8,000 feet. Experience level is 12,000 feet. And when you get to expert level, it'd be like you're breathing at 16,000 feet. And it really does work. Let me get you a close-up of this. Just a mask like we've been wearing from the past few years. Has the straps all inside of it here. And here, right here, is the switch to make it different levels. But someone with breathing problems, if they start at the beginner level and work their way up, it could increase their lung capacity, making it better for them, easier for them to breathe if they have breathing problems. I don't know if there's anything under here or not. Nope, no hidden compartments or anything. But it replicates the effects of high altitude training. You can work out while wearing this, or you can just wear it without working out. You just go out, you know, if you have to go somewhere where you have to wear a mask, like a hospital or something, you could wear this and do your training while you're at the hospital. But this is Satan in Disguise. I just wanted to show you that, and I'm definitely going to be using this because it'll help with my Muay Thai training by making it so I can take in more air and breathe, and without getting tired quickly. It just helps a lot. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and share. And I'll see you guys in the next video.